I just dropped the whole thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing my May beauty box unboxings with Ipsy, Birchbox, Boxycharm, and Facetory. If you want to know what I've got in May's boxes, then keep on watching. As usual, I'm going to start off with Birchbox first. This one's box looks like this. Geometric designs. Nothing too fancy. Let's open you up and see what we've got with the little postcard inside. So first thing we have in here is by B Tan. It's Love, a daily moisturizer that makes me glow. Gradual tan, an everyday body moisturizer that gives a hint of color. I've actually never tried a product like that, like a tanning product that gradually you apply every day and then you become more tan or something. So I'm very interested in, and it has sweet almond oil. I feel like without a doubt there's always a product in these videos that I cannot use. Moving on, we have a product from High Performance Hair Care. This is a smoothing balm. I have gotten things from this company so many times, like conditioners, leave-ins, shampoos. This tames and smooths frizzy, unruly hair for a soft, touchable, polished look. Oh, that's actually really cool because I do have like naturally frizzy hair, and sometimes when I curl it, it still looks really frizzy. I feel like this would be a really good thing to kind of just run through my hair and make it look more polished, as it said. So yeah, there's like a little picture of a chick with scuba gear on. Why? Next thing we have in here is by Sunday Riley. It's a very tiny little sample of the 15% vitamin C Rapid Flash Brightening Serum CEO. I do have the full-size version of it and I absolutely love it. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure if maybe I tried this tiny sample, I would have really liked it and bought the full size. But yeah, it's okay. It's really small. All right, next thing is, what is this? Don't get me wrong, baby. Yes, I do. What? État libre d'orange ou de parfum. Okay, it's a perfume. Oh, I love the packaging. How adorable. Let's give this a spritz and see what it smells like. I'm gonna spray the little card here. Something tells me it's gonna smell like d'orange. This smell is kind of nostalgic. It's reminding me of a like time and place in my life, and I cannot put my finger on it. I wouldn't personally wear this perfume. I feel like it's a little too powdery. I feel like I would use this in the restroom. I know that sounds like terrible, but it smells like something you would spray in the restroom, but it smells really nice. I don't think I would wear it on my body, but oh my god, what does this remind me of? It's gonna kill me. I hate it when that happens. Last thing in my Birchbox is from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm so freaking excited about this. It's the Airbrush Concealer Boing. I've been wanting to try this for so long. This is in the shade number 1. Good. Okay, this is really, really cute. That's a decent sized pot. Let me open this up. That's a good color for me. It kind of has like a peachy tone to it. Whoa, that's creamy. Oh, but it goes on really like smooth. It's not like super full coverage, it looks like. I'm gonna try this out for sure. I'm very excited. That was everything in my Birchbox. Not the most disappointing box in the world. I do want to try this smoothing balm and the concealer. I already love this product a lot. As for the perfume, I personally wouldn't wear it on my body even though it still smells really nice. And unfortunately, I can't really use this even though it sounds so much fun. Oh well. Now we're gonna move on to May's Ipsy Glam Bag, and it has a bunch of very different stamps, probably from all over the world. Like if you would travel and they would stamp your passport, I feel like these would be the stamps you'd get. In the back, it's like a really cute orange. It says Ipsy right there. Cute color combination. And the little zipper has a plane on it. So cute. The little things, the little touches of detail. We have a little postcard in here with Lynette, Roxette, and Lonnie, and I've actually met all of them before, and they're all very, very sweet. So that's really cute. Let's see what else we've got in here. So first thing I see in here is from Tarte Cosmetics. It's the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder, and that's not a bad size. It's actually like a nice travel size. I haven't tried this powder before. Oh, that's so cute. It has like 2 little dots, like a little salt pepper shaker. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand because I'm very curious to see. Oh yeah, this is one of those super, super fine, kind of reminds me of the Makeup Forever HD powder. I'm not always a fan of these. They do like go into the skin smoothly and my skin looks absolutely amazingly soft, but these tend to have flashback so I've found. Maybe this one doesn't, but I can tell my hand does look a little bit lighter wherever I put it. So if this doesn't have flashback, I will definitely give this a try. Next thing we have in here is a sponge. Okay, this is really cute. It's from, oh my god, SL Miss Glam. Oh, I think I've gotten brushes from that brand before, if I'm not mistaken. So let's open this up. It's so cute and tiny. Hello? Come out, please. Here come the scissors again. What the heck? I actually feel like I'm squishing a marshmallow. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking soft. And it's so cute. It's like a smaller sponge. I'm sure it will grow a little bit once I wet it. But I kind of like the shape because it fits really nicely in your hand and you could just, you know, go to town on smaller areas of your face, and does have like a flat tipped edge. You can get into your concealer really nicely, but it's very easy to hold and very soft. I cannot wait to use this sponge. Next thing we have in here is by Sugar. It's a Arch Arrival Brow Definer in 02 Taupe Tom. Oh yay, a brow pencil. Okay, I love brow products. I thought it was a black eyeliner. I was like, no, not again. Brow products always using, and I love taupey shades. It does have a little spoolie on one side. On the other side is one of those angled retractable pencils, and the color is actually really, really nice. That's gonna work nicely with my lighter hair and my brows. I love the angle types because it's very easy to kind of do little strokes or tilt it to the side and get like more pigment. What am I trying to say here? This next thing is probably like the tiniest little sample I've ever seen. This is from Akar Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum, organic and non-toxic. Ooh, I'm like really curious what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness! What? So tiny! I love little things. It has almond oil in it. Last thing in my Ipsy bag is from Ofra. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Ooh, this is a new shade. Ipsy Unzipped. Ooh, fun. I think they made like a special unique shade for Ipsy bags, which is amazing because that means I don't have this color. This is a Jess shade. I am very pleased right now. Let's do a little swatch. Oh yeah, that's like the perfect mauve-y. Ah, I love this. This was everything in my Ipsy bag, and I'm actually really, really excited for these three products specifically. Like, that sponge is so unbelievably soft. The lipstick, beautiful, definitely a Jess color, and the brow pencil, I'll always be using brow pencils. Like, I have a huge collection, but I use all of them. I don't really go for HD powders very often. I will give it a try, but I'm not like the most excited, and this one has almond oil in it, which is so unfortunate because it's so cute and tiny. Next up, we have Boxycharm. I do have a link where you guys can sign up down below in my description. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but if you decide to, thank you so much in advance. Let's open this thing up. Lots of interesting things happening. I'm gonna grab this one first. This is from Cover FX. This is the Blurring Primer, and this is a full-size primer. I think that I have this one. I think I already have this one. Would you look at that? I do have one, and it's nice and squeezed and used, so it's nice to have a backup. I do really like this primer a lot. Yay! Next thing in here says Boxycharm, but it's from Beauty Creations, and I guess they did like a collab, like a special product color for the Boxycharm, and they do that a lot. I feel like Boxycharm collabs with companies often, and I really like that because you get really unique items. So what is this? This is a matte lip gloss. In the shade Kiss Me. Take me to dinner first and then we'll talk. That was terrible. Long Wear Matte Lip Gloss. Yum! Some type of candy, like a fruity candy. Starburst? No. Whatever the heck it is, I want to eat it. So I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand because I'm very curious. I'm sure it's a liquid lipstick, but why does it say lip gloss? Because that's like matte and gloss are two very different things. So, ooh, it goes on really nicely. The color is a very, very berry shade. I don't really wear a lot of berry colors like this. It is pretty. I'm gonna let that dry down and move on, but Oh my god, I want to eat that so bad. I haven't had sugar in like 3 weeks, okay? We have quite a few brushes in this month's box. So first up we have these 3, and these are from Aesthetica. You have a spoolie brush, an angled brush, and like one of those really fine tipped brushes. I love them. I don't really use spoolie brushes too much, so it's kind of like a useless... Actually, no, that's a lie. I use it to kind of brush up my hairs and trim, so no, that is a lie. I do use spoolie brushes. The other 2, I do love angled brushes, and these are amazing. Ooh, it's very long. I wonder if it'll... A brush went flying. I wonder if this is too flimsy to get. We'll have to find out, but that's really cool. You get 2 brushes and a spoolie. So this brush is also from Aesthetica, and this is the P12 brush. It looks like kind of like a powder brush. Ooh, oh wow. That is really soft. It is, I don't want to say it's flimsy, but usually for powder, foundation, or anything like that, I do use more dense brushes. But I think this would be nice to wipe away translucent powder or just lightly dust your face, because it does like wiggle wobble. Not that it's a bad brush, it's actually very, very soft, nice quality. I'll definitely use it because I have a brush sickness, and any brush I get, I use. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought there was only one more product that I'm holding in my hand, but I like opened up the little foam inside and there's another product. I was not aware of this. I don't know what this is, but let's open this first. This is so freaking cool. This packaging, OMG. So it's from Pretty Vulgar, and it's the Ink Black Artist Gel Eyeliner, and I'm like, wow. So it looks like one of those old-fashioned, like, feathered ink things. You know what I mean. Whoa, oh wow, ooh, I picked up a lot. I'm going to, oh my god. I haven't used a gel black eyeliner in a while. I freaking love the packaging. That's so cool. I need to clean this before it lands on my shirt somehow. So that last mysterious thing in here, what could it be? I actually have no idea because I haven't really looked at spoilers for this month like on Instagram or anything, so this was like a very surprising box. This is from Pure. They work with Pure quite a bit. This is the Sculptor palette. Let's open this up. Wait, it's got stickers on it. I need to cut that free. My box is like, it's like somebody sat on it. It's kind of janky. It's closing weird. Whatever. So you have 2 bronzy contour shades and 2 highlighters. I can tell you now, those contour shades are not going to work for me. They're super dark. I will just swatch this darkest one. That is not gonna work out for me. But it's okay because actually that's really pretty, and I can see that being like a quick little eyeshadow look with this palette. Let's swatch these highlighters. Maybe they're unbelievably creamy. Ooh, they are really nice. Oh my god, I'm swatching in very strange places to show you guys. Can you see it? That was everything in my Boxycharm. I'm gonna go back to that liquid lipstick gloss really quickly. Yeah, definitely not budging, going anywhere. Dries down matte. Doesn't move. Not a gloss, guys. Not a gloss. This was a really good box. I feel like I got a lot of stuff. I'm definitely going to be using like these brushes, the primer once I run out of mine, and I really want to try this eyeliner. This little sculpting palette, I definitely feel like it would work better as like an eyeshadow palette, and the highlighters would work for me for sure. The contour shade's a little bit too dark. Everything else, this is a pretty color. I don't wear berries a lot. I will try it out. It was a good box. Lastly, we have Facetory, which is a monthly subscription box for sheet masks. So if you are a sheet mask lover, this is the perfect thing for you. This is such a cute little postcard. I love this. You're a sheet mask queen. Thank you. And we have a little code for you guys. It's mesijesi. It's 2-4, but you pick whether you want to use 2 or 4 depending on the box you get. Somebody pointed that out because I was confused. I thought it was like a 214, or you put the dash in there. You either pick Messy Jesi 2 or Messy Jesi 4. If you pick 2, you get 2 free masks with your 4 kit purchase. And if you pick 4, you get 4 free masks on your 7 Luxe box purchase. So that's great. Today we have a yellow mask burrito. I love yellow. Yellow has been a color for me lately. I'm very attracted to this shade. It's a very happy color. We have the little postcard with all the information, what's in it, what it's about, what it's good for. First mask we have is from Faith and Face. It's I Want Perfect Makeup, Makeup Ready Skin. Oh, okay, so this is something you do before you put your makeup on. I haven't done that before, but I've always like avoided it because I'm like, if I'm gonna put like good things on my skin, I want to not put makeup on. But if this is for that, then I will definitely be using this before I do my makeup. Pore care, softening, moisturizing, hydration. Oh, yes, I love that. We have the Glowing Marigold Mask. I love this packaging, by the way. It's so classic and so pretty. Floral skincare recipe. It has marigold, honey, and celery for glowing revitalization. Wow, that almost didn't come out. Microfiber sheet with serum. Strongly adheres to face with extraordinary absorption. Next mask is the Cosmeti Green Tea Soothing Moisture Mask. Moisture is always great. I love that. This one is called Her Story. It's a moist skin aquaring system. Aqua mask sheet. Okay, very interesting. Oh my god, I love this one. It has a little bee. I'm like obsessed with bees. I don't know why. I love them so much. So this is like a 3-step mask. You have the honey milk, the ampule, and then you have the honey balm mask. Ooh, fun. I love the little bee. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love these packagings. Next up, we have the Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask. Ooh, I feel like I've had something similar or like a different one from the same brand because I recognize this packaging. It's very fancy. I love her. She is fabulous. You go, girl. This is the Urban City Azuling Aquaring Mask. Aquaring. There's that word again. Is that, am I like just clueless right now? Is that a word? Aquaring. Home care mask sheet for sensitive and dry skin. So that was everything in my May unboxings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite subscription boxes out there. I feel like I should be doing like a part 2 with boxes that I haven't done before. So let me know. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, Jesi Jet, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. Of course, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys did. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!